Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing very well. We are back today on day 4 of the Christmas Advent Calendar series. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I've not done it before on the channel, but I want to go and obviously explore my, variety of content, I suppose, in a way. But today we're going to go and do a Lego build. Bit of a weird one, I know, but I want to do it. Obviously, I've been doing quite a bit of Lego recently. Obviously, I've only got the Ford Angular car, which from Harry Potter, as you all know, I'm a big Harry Potter fan. Built that obviously a couple of weeks ago, and obviously I'm going to try my best to try and hopefully keep continuing to do more and more and more and more content. So I'm looking forward to it really today. So if you obviously enjoyed today's video, please do go drop a like down below and also subscribe. If you also have maybe missed a video or a stream, check the playlist down below to go and catch up obviously on the Christmas Advent Calendar series. Today we're going to go and build the Hogwarts big up the Owl Tower, I believe, today. Code obviously is 76430. If you want guys to go and check it out, if you want to go buy it, feel free to. That's the back of it. That's what it looks like on the back of it. What comes with it? You get obviously the character at the bottom here. You get Harry Potter there. Sorry, apologies for that. Harry Potter there. You get obviously Filch and also Cheng as well from there. It looks like a pretty big build. I'm looking forward to it because I've not obviously had a big build for quite a long time since I was like a little kid. I know everyone has like their own little builds of Harry Potter and obviously all sorts. I used to have like a load of Lego when I was little. Probably about, I can't remember what age, probably about 12 or maybe less than that, something like that. But we're gonna go and do it today. So I'm gonna go and see, as said, hopefully try and capture as much as I can of it and try and go over bits and bobs of it, and we'll jump straight into the video. Let's get into it. Right, so obviously stage 1's been done now, so I'm looking forward to doing stage 2. Did fuck up a little bit as usual. Nothing new with me on there fucking up, but this is what we're looking like so far. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna try and get a bit of a better angle. Do apologise for the POV, but we're looking pretty good so far. Obviously, you got the little rat down here. As you can see, you've got obviously where's he gone? Spider there. You got like this little spinny thing, which looked really cool. I was like, oh my god, we're getting like a really cool little spinny thing here, but look like it's not. It's gonna be there just for obviously for the sake of it, but we move. Some little flowers as well, scattering around. As you can see, little petals hanging off the edge of it. Some more petals down here again and here again. Looking pretty damn good, but yeah, this is a nice little process so far. But yeah, we're gonna keep bloody going, mate. We're gonna keep bloody going. Here we are once again, ladies and gentlemen, back on bag 3 now, out of 4, I think, I believe. We're doing quite well, we're on page 64, so we're doing quite well. Here's the product so far, just took out the thing, but as you can see, we're looking pretty good. Like, you've got the balcony, I think, here, got staircase obviously still going on there. Just obviously done the top floor thing, which is, well, the first floor, sorry, first floor. As you can see, the first floor, got a nice little tree as well, kind of like that, pretty cool. Inside we got like a nice little dove or owl. You can see that a little bit better. Honestly, my camera angles are horrific. I do apologise. Say it for it's not easy doing it like this, but it's what we got to do. What we're dealing with. But yeah, looking very, very good. I must flipping say I am looking forward to the builder when it's fully done. I just got the camera stuck as well. But yeah, looking forward to when it's fully finished. So it should be good when it's fully finished. I'm cooking up. We will carry on, keep going. quick update. We are on to the last bag. Currently an hour in, and we've done this in an hour. I think I'm quite happy with it, really. Done obviously 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floors. Give you a bit of a tour. Obviously, look at the roof though. The roof looks pretty clean. Kind of like the roof. Hope it goes obviously quite somewhere hopefully fun. But yeah, got quite a lot obviously going on. Got obviously some mail in there to see a bit better. Mail again. Still like the owl. That's quite cool. Obviously, not too much to really show you apart from obviously just really the out area. Yeah. Looking very good. Hopefully we can keep it going, and we'll try and hopefully fulfill its role. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We finally did it. Hour and 20 minutes dead on as well. So, quite happy with it, really. Yeah, final product. Here we go. I mean, look at it. It looks pretty damn cool. You know, you got all the rocks as I said before. The bottom of it looks pretty cool. Kind of like it. Which way we got obviously the first floor, second floor, third floor. Really good. Obviously a lot of owls. You can tell. Obviously, it's the whole point of a bloody owl tower. So, you know. Do like the thingy though. Do like the top of it. Looks quite cool. Obviously, all the little mailboxes and stuff on the side. Come round as well is obviously the interior. Top ring looks pretty dope. Kind of like that. Obviously, with all the whole lanterns, heating, owl again. Obviously, other side as well. You got obviously more mail again there. Tell you what, it's kind of the same. You can obviously as well see the owl pointing out about there. See that owl, obviously other owl as well on the other side facing outwards. It's a really cool little build. I'm really chuffed with the fact that obviously I've managed to do that. I'm gonna put myself in the camera up here really quickly. Ooh. Honestly, I want to do quite a little bit of editing to this video because it's literally about an hour and 20 long. So we'll see. Hopefully it's all good. But yeah, an hour and 20 minutes dead on to not only build something that I've kind of hoped it was going to be. You know, I am fully happy with that. I mean, for the price of it though, £29 on Black Friday for this type of build, it's actually quite a big build. You might think it's like, oh, it's only small, it's not that big, and me. It's actually good. I'm quite happy with it overall. So yes, very happy indeed. Also, do apologise obviously if there was any music in the background. I was listening to my music half the time. I was vibing through this because you can't do Lego without obviously a bit of music. It's got to have a little bit of it. But yeah, very, very happy indeed with obviously the final product of this. Quite an easy build. Out of 10, I would say for everything on it. Price wise, 10 out of 10. Easy to say. I did fuck up a little bit because I wasn't paying too much attention. It's obviously like 11:30 at night, so I won't be quite tired obviously doing it. But quite easy to build, not too difficult to go and build at all. I'd say probably a 9. Obviously, I did fuck up obviously once or twice. Quite a lot of spare parts. Also, we have got no, I took it out. Filch, obviously, like I mentioned before, with obviously the broomstick. Didn't actually lose the broomstick until I found it on the floor. Harry, obviously, as well there. I also didn't know with Cheng, she gets a scarf. So, obviously, she's got a scarf now, I've added to her. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with it, really. Obviously, you can also change the face as well, just turn them around and take them off. But I'm not going to go and do that. But, yeah, really, really happy. Overall, really happy indeed with it. You can also get, obviously, as I said, there's quite a lot of spare parts left over, which they always tend to do anyway, Lego, in case obviously you do miss some bits and bobs. But very happy overall with the build. I'll show you obviously all once again. Quite safe. I don't like picking up builds like this because I just don't want to drop them. I nearly dropped them at one point, which obviously you might have seen through the video. But yeah, really good build. Really, really good build. Really happy with that. Obviously, if I manage to go and get Hogwarts, oh my god. Let me know down below if you want to see a Hogwarts video of me building Hogwarts. It'll probably be like 5 hours long. It's that big. It's massive. But yeah, anyways, enjoyed obviously the episode of the advent calendar on day 4. Day 4, please do go drop a like down below. I will be back live tomorrow with another obviously type of content. Obviously, it will be a stream regardless. So yeah. Anyways, enjoy the rest of your evening. All. Thank you for coming to the stream. Oh, obviously the video, not God. I'm too used to streaming. All right, I'm too used to streaming. But yeah, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Peace.